Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate Echobrain with your Fourthwall shop. Once you're logged in to your Echobrain admin account, you will see the webhook and script buttons at the top. You probably saved them in step 2 of this guide, but if not, you can do it again. You can click on webhook, copy the webhook URL, and then go to your Fourthwall shop admin dashboard, which we have it open here. Go to settings, then click on for developers, and then click on create webhook for this pop-up to open. Here you paste the webhook URL you copied, and then choose the order placed event on this combo box. Once that's done, click on save, and there you go. We're done with the step 3 of the integration once you see this confirmation.